This one was a miss for me. Another inconsistency. What is this texture? This hair feels like it's been sitting in the Sahara Desert for 20 days and 20 nights. This feels like lower quality than doll hair. No exaggeration.
Cut it, hey, yeah, cut it. Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left, unless you gon' get right. What the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo, been taking it easy like poco a poco.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another sensational unit from the Butta Lace collection. I'm wearing this one in the style Loose Deep 24-inch in the color number 2. So let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So with this unit, you do get your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. It does come with a singular HD lace left side part. It does come pre-plucked, and it does have baby hairs. So let me just come in and show you guys what this hairline is looking like. So comparing this unit to the Deep Wave 20 unit, the Deep Wave 20 unit I feel like has definitely a much better plucked hairline. This one is not really bad, but I just feel like with the Deep Wave one, they did put a little more effort into it. This one's not terrible, but I definitely feel like you could go in and customize it a little bit more to your liking. I'm leaving it as is because I'm lazy and I'm not here for all of that. So the texture on this unit, honey, let me not even go there. This texture is a joke. So as I always say, I have been using my Simply Stylin pure silicone spray, and that spray saves everything. For some reason it could not save this unit, honey. The dryness on this unit is no joke. The tangling, not really much shedding, but the tangling and the dryness of this unit, I am just not here for, y'all. This one is definitely not a silky unit. I don't want to blame it on the fact that I did finger comb and wide tooth comb it out, because I did the same thing with the Deep Wave unit and my results were wonderful. So I'm not sure what sort of texture, what sort of fibers I decided to use with this hair, but it's not hitting, honey. The quality of this hair is garbage to me. This feels like lower quality than doll hair. No exaggeration. I'm absolutely not here for the quality of this hair. This is going to be a look but don't touch unit. This is going to be a special occasion unit. And honey, when I say special occasion, I mean you're popping this one on for an hour and then throwing it in the trash, because I don't really see this lasting a long amount of time. I don't know if it's just me, if it's maybe just this specific unit that I kind of got duped on. But honey, let me tell you, the disappointment with this unit is real, which is surprising because I was so happy with the Deep Wave unit. I honestly thought this one was going to be as good, but it's definitely not, honey. If you have this one in your cart, remove it right now. Do yourself a favor, remove it right now. Don't waste your money. I wasted mine, so you don't have to waste yours. Remove it from your cart, honey. It's not worth it. It is not worth it. If you want this look, this vibe, get the other one. Get the Deep Wave 20. Do not get this one. So the density on this unit is definitely on the fuller side. I want to say straight out of the pack, it's like 150, just like the deep wave unit. I did, like I said, finger comb it out and also go in with the wide tooth comb, and it's sitting at about a heavier 150% to 180% density. So the cap size on this one is definitely coming off small and medium and possibly big head friendly. My head is on the small to medium size and it's fitting my head pretty well. There's not really any stretch to the cap though, honey. If you do have a large size head, definitely just be cautious when it comes to picking up any units from this collection because their caps do tend to stray on the smaller side. Now the length on it, like I said, on the stock card is 24 inches. I'm 5'3" for reference, and it does come about just to my boobs, so definitely a good length, good density. So let me just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. My first con with this unit is just the hairline. Like I said, it's not atrocious, but I feel like it definitely could have been plucked more, especially because that deep wave unit was plucked beautifully. So I'm very disappointed with the minimal plucking on this one. I do feel like you definitely can make it work for you, but I just feel like this one is definitely minimally plucked. So if you are a beginner, you could get away with wearing this one, but you may have to put a little bit of work in it. I think if you're a beginner, I definitely would suggest the Deep Wave 20 unit over this one. Another con that I have is just the texture. The texture, like I said, y'all, is super dry. It needs Jesus. It needs holy water. It needs something that I can't give it. The pure silicone spray, like I said, is not working for it. The texture for this one, honey, is not doing it for me. The tangling that's going on here and the dryness that's going on here and just like this hair, like it already feels like it needs to be revived, and this is straight out of the box. So I guess those are my only two cons, but I feel like that is a big con, honey. If the quality of the hair is trash and the hairline is not really doing what it's supposed to be doing, I feel like that's already going to be a no for me when it comes to pretty much any unit. So those are definitely two big things that are my cons to keep in mind. So the pros on this unit, I feel like, I mean, the look is pretty cute. It does look, for the most part, like the stock card. Like I said, the hairline, it's not awful. The parting space is nice. The fact that it's HD lace, I mean, it is what it is. You get what I'm saying? Like, I feel like if you do pick this one up and maybe you have a specific look or a specific purpose in mind, you won't necessarily be disappointed with it. But if you're planning on picking up a unit like this specific unit, to wear it consistently and, like, you know, to be out and about and feeling cute, you ain't gonna be feeling it, honey. So just heed my advice, take my words with caution. Definitely consider that when you decide to pick this unit up. I would never pick this unit up again. I'm sorry. It's not doing what I feel like it should be doing. And this is just yet another example of my opinion about Sensational being super inconsistent. Like I said, the Deep Wave 20 unit, I was super here for it. I thought I was going to be disappointed just because, like I said, with the Butta Lace collection, it's always a hit or miss. So this one was a miss for me, another inconsistency, and so I'm just not here for this unit. And honestly, that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up and any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.